Top Styling Rack 2025 Enhanced Edition. Installation method. Put this partially open foam tube. Insert shoulder elbow all the way to the edge of the collar. Bend out of the shoulder shape. You can use free rubber bands. Fix it. This fully open foam tube. Insert the side of the hanger. Lower and flush. Get a telescopic rod. Put a gasket on the threaded head. Install below. Gasket. It can prevent the foam tube above from slipping. Put a foam tube on the outside of the telescopic rod. At the bottom. Install the hem brace. Get a shorter telescopic rod. Put the gasket under the shoulder elbow. Then put this white metal elbow. Install it under the telescopic rod. Put on a foam tube with a length of 20 centimeters. Install a telescopic rod below. Put on a foam tube of the right length. The end can be fitted with gaskets and screws. Prevent foam tube from slipping. The disassembly and assembly of the arm is flexible. You can do the same. Attach the telescopic rods together. Fit the metal elbow to the bottom. Make it happen. The curved end of the arm. Finally, put on this cuff plug. Cuff plug after fixing cuff. Stretching the arms can make the sleeves taut. This metal elbow bends hard. The inclination of the shoulders can be adjusted. Loosen this round nut. The width of the hanger can be adjusted. Each section of the telescopic rod. The length can be adjusted. White metal elbow can be bent and shaped. The hem telescopic rod can adjust the length. When shooting plus-size clothes, hanger pulled open. The collar lacks support. Install this little telescopic rod. The collar width can be adjusted. Shoot shirts and other stand-up collars. The connector of the stand collar strut. Put it here. Insert stand neck brace. The length can be adjusted. Tighten the screw to fix the vertical collar strut. No need to remove your arms when wearing long sleeves. Put your arms up. Lay the back of the clothes up. 2 hands into the sleeves. Reach out from the hem of the dress. Like for a lying child. Same as wearing clothes. Grab the arm. The sleeve fits easily into the arm. Then pull up the collar and hem. That's it.